Hi everyone, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna talk about how to make a pool, water pool effect on the pool. Okay, so create the water effect here. Okay, first you may just create a platform, then drag it down. Okay, so you have a pool here, a hole here, then you just drag this one. Type water in the crown library. Type water, just drag out. Okay, drag it out first. So after that, you just press C. Okay, resize it. Okay, resize it. Resize it. There's a button here. Resize it. Okay, C, resize it. C, resize it. Okay. Okay, almost there. Then press Z. Okay, move it down a bit up. More. Then if you want some effect, right, this one of course is the water, right? If you want some effect, then you can click on here, press C, then you just move this up. Okay, so you may see some water effect. Just press Z to move it down first. Okay, you may see water effect. So let me render to show you. Okay, render. Just press OK lah, submit. Okay. So a few loading the resource. Okay, never mind, let it load. A few moments later, ta-da! So this is the water effect lah. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.